The launch of the new Mini in 2001 set a new standard in the small car market for handling and driving enjoyment. Over the next 4 years, rumours came and went regarding the arrival of a lightweight, high-performance Mini. From July 2006, the Mini Cooper S with John Cooper Works, JCW, GP kit will realise the dream with a power output of around 218 bhp, a stunning 136 bhp per litre, and a weight drop of 40 kilos. Only 2,000 will be built for Mini fans around the globe, with approximately 20% staying in the UK. Only 444 UK customers were given the chance to own one from July 2006. Such has been the demand for the fastest, most powerful production Mini yet that Mini UK has been negotiating with other countries and has managed to snatch 15 more of the prized models. Only 10 of these extra models remain today. America, Germany and Switzerland have also been eager to increase their share of the elite 2,000 cars. The fastest, most powerful production Mini ever will reach 62 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds and achieve a top speed of 146 miles per hour. The GP has a power output of 218 bhp, a stunning 136 bhp per litre, and a maximum torque of 245 newton-meters of torque. The Mini Cooper S with JCW GP kit will be a two-seater in exclusive colours, and extra safety and interior options will come as standard. The reduction in weight over the standard Mini Cooper S has been achieved by modifications to the chassis and engineering tweaks. The longitudinal control arms on the rear axle are now made of aluminium, and the omission of the sound-deadening material and the rear seats have made further weight reductions. Modifications to the intercooler, as well as engine tuning measures, have increased the power output of the supercharged 1.6-litre engine on a standard Mini Cooper S JCW by 8 bhp. In order that such power and the high maximum torque of 245 nanometers are transferred securely to the road. This exclusive special edition features a limited slip differential and dynamic stability control as standard. Limited slip differential, ASC plus T, EBD, and DSC are also options. Electronic systems optimize the handling of the Mini Cooper S with the John Cooper Works GP kit. A limited slip differential, ASC plus T and EBD come as standard, and DSC is available as a no-cost option. High-performance brakes by John Cooper Works featuring red-lacquered brake calipers on the front wheels ensure optimum stopping power. In addition, the GP kit includes specially designed weight-reduced 18-inch alloy wheels. The special edition will only be available in grey-blue metallic, combined with a pure silver roof and chili red wing mirrors. The air scoop on the bonnet and in the front apron also comes in pure silver. Interior standard equipment includes Recaro, sport seats, single CD, air conditioning and a multi-function steering wheel. A new aerodynamics package, front and rear aprons, a wing-shaped rear spoiler, underbody panelling and even lower side sills have all been added. This has resulted in a distinctly reduced drag coefficient and enhanced downforce on the front and rear axles. Standard equipment includes limited slip differential, dynamic stability control, Recaro, so sport seats in panther black leather, single CD, air conditioning and a multi-function steering wheel. The car also features JCW sports brakes, JCW sports suspension and exclusive low-profile tyres and 18-inch light alloy rims. The guide price is £22,000, which includes £10,000 worth of additional equipment if specified on a standard Mini Cooper S. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews.